Mga kabombo, mga ka-Star Nation, good news naman tayo sa pagkakataong ito dahil ang Star FM Manila at Bombo Radio Philippines binigyan po ng pagkilala Philippine Distinct Men and Women of Excellence 2024. May balita dyan ang Star FM Manila.
Kinilala ang Bombo Radio Philippines at ang 102.7 Star FM Manila sa Philippines Distinct Men and Women of Excellence 2024 na ginanap sa lungsod ng Las Piñas.
Distinct FM Radio Station of the Year, Star FM.
Natanggap ng Star FM Manila ang Distinct FM Radio Station of the Year, habang Distinct AM Radio Station of the Year naman ng Bombo Radio Philippines sa nasabing award-giving body. Dinaluhan rin ng iba't ibang personalidad mula sa larangan ng showbiz, sports, music industry at advocates ang awards night. Sa pahayag ni Direk Rom Burlat, chairman ng naturang award-giving body at award-winning director, sinabi nito na maigi nilang pinili ang mga awardee ngayong taon.
There was a deliberation with among us members of the award-giving body. Every year you have this achievement and that, so you excel. Actually, it was a tight competition, but at the end of the deliberation, you won. I would like to congratulate those who made it this year, coming from different fields. For those of you who have not been awarded yet, haven't been recognized yet, there's still next year. And we are searching far and wide. We're searching every nook and cranny of the world where Filipinos excel.
Ang Philippines Distinct Men and Women of Excellence 2024 ay isang award-giving body na kumikilala sa mga natatanging individual at organisasyon sa bansa. Mula rito sa Las Piñas City, Star DJ German Bolero ng 102.7 Star FM Manila nag-uulat para sa #1 and most trusted radio network in the country, Bombo Radio Philippines. Basta Radyo. Bombo!